Hello everyone, thank you for watching Allan Review channel. I really appreciate it. So this is a little tutorial. That's all I was buying my car and the damage I look for. So this is a 2022 Toyota RAV4 LE I buy on Monday in the auction Copart. So I want to just show you the damage and explain to you more or less. This is a car I buy in the auction Monday. See, let me show you some pictures. When I buy my car, I don't buy with a lot of damage, I buy the less damage possible because even it costs a little more, long run, it's better because you don't need to buy parts, you don't need to buy a lot of parts, and you could save money like that. So let me show you. This is the left side where all the damage is. See, not that big damage, no hard damage, pure skip and slice and stuff like that, not a bunch of damage. So that's a car, it's nice. The only damage is in the front bumper and the fender line I need to replace, and the front bumper could repair. That's the only damage on the car, front bumper, and that bumper could repair. And the lower bumper can replace. But the upper bumper, that could fix. See, most of the damage, most of the car don't got no damage. So, and the engine is perfect. The engine running very good. No damage in the engine. So most of the damage, like I say, is on the left side. That door, I could repair it or change the skin. It's more faster to just replace the skin by the dealer, buy a new skin and change it. And this back door could fix, or both of them. I could buy both the front and the back door skin, and the work will be more faster and more cleaner. And the bumper could fit. The fender is just to sand and new paints. But for the work to be neat and more quicker, I could replace the front and the back skin door, and the more quicker and the work will done quicker. So like you say, everything is good. That's the damage on the car. That's the damage here, left side. The fender, I could repair it, paint it and sand it and repair it. And I had to buy a door mirror. The left door mirror is broke, so I had to buy a new one, or buy the junkyard, or buy one at the aftermarket. So, and the skin, like I say. And most of the damage, that's it. That's it, the damage here. The right side, nothing damage on the right side. Nothing damage on the right side. That's all I buy. I like buy car. One side damage. No, I don't like buy car. The whole car damage all over, left, right, front, back. I don't like buy car like that. I like buy car in one damage, either in the back and the side, but one place. I don't like buy car